In Onshape, you can create tolerances as part of model-based definition, also known as MBD. Let's take a look at some examples. Here I am in a part studio with a part model. I will start by going to my inspection table on the right-hand side of the screen. Let me zoom out, and here you can see that I already have some different dimensions and some set datums defined in my model. Let me start off by creating a geometric tolerance in order to qualify my A datum. Let me rotate the model. I want to put in a tolerance to describe that surface over on the left. I will click on the geometric tolerance icon. Here we have the dialog box for setting it up. I will start by selecting the surface. You can see a preview of the geometric tolerance. Then I will left click to locate it. And I want this to be flatness. I will delete the A datum because flatness does not need any datums. It should not have any datums. And then from the type drop-down list, I will locate flatness and then select on it. Now you'll notice the preview on the screen is not updating. I'm making this video in July of 2026, and I notice a little bit of interesting behavior when I'm doing this currently. I find that typically you have to place the tolerance and then double click on it again in order to edit it. And then when you start doing that, you'll see that the tolerance is updating on the screen. So let me choose that this is going to be for flatness. We can see it updating. Then I will hit the check mark. And again, that's just how we're going to do things for now. I'm sure it will be updated in the future, probably by the time that you are watching this video. Okay, let's take a look at creating another geometric tolerance. I will click on the command in the toolbar in the inspection table. Let me select a dimension this time in order to attach it to. And again, the first time, hey, if I start trying to configure this, for example, I want this to have more than one datum. If I start typing them in, hey, I don't see it updating on the screen. I find, again, just hit the check mark, go back to it, double click, and then you can start making the different changes. So for example, let's type in our B datum and then our C datum. And then let's say that we want to add in some symbols, like a symbol before the tolerance value. Well, you can show hide the symbols, then click where you want the symbol to appear. Now I will click the diameter symbol. We can see it update with that as well. Another thing to be aware of is that you can add additional text. You have fields for adding upper text, lower text, suffixes, and prefixes. So for example, let's say that this hole appeared multiple times. I could put, say, 4x. Let me put a little space in there. And then after I click outside of the field, you can see the preview update, and I can hit the check mark. And then I say, oh, wait, you know what? There's only one of those. I don't need to have this prefix. So let me select it and then delete it and hit the check mark. And there we have it updated. And so those are a couple of examples. Let's just do one more. Let's create a geometric tolerance, and let's do it for this surface. And I'll select it, and let's drag it up here. And so let's say that we want this to be perpendicular. Once again, if I try to select perpendicular, might not always see it update. Just hit the check mark, double click on it. Now we can start updating, and we can say, hey, I want this to be perpendicular. I also want to select datum B as part of this as well. And so as I am using this, again, this is in the early iterations of model-based definition, and I'm sure that we will see a lot of enhancements in the future. For example, hopefully in the future, we will be able to attach a geometric tolerance to a datum or attach it to multiple surfaces. But for now, you can attach it to a single surface.